Hi, everyone. Are you tired of paying for subscription on expensive AI tools? Are you still wondering which AI tool works best for you? Well, we've got some great news for you. I'm going to introduce a range of new AI tools that you can use for absolutely free. These game-changing innovations are here to change dramatically the way we work and live. So, let's dive right in and unlock the power of these amazing tools.
The first AI tool on our list is the AI-powered language translator. My audiences come from the different countries. With this tool, you can communicate with people from all around the world effortlessly. Quillbot Translator is the best free translator tool nowadays. I suggest you use Google Chrome to launch quillbot.com/translate. It may not work well on some other browsers. Let's look at a few translation examples. Please watch till the end.
When you use Quillbot Translator, you can have 100% free translation online without ads. It helps you translate text into 45 popular languages. This powered by AI translator is the most accurate to translate online. It has the other useful features that Google Translator does not offer. Now, let's talk about something that might brighten your day: an AI-powered mental health companion. This AI tool provides personalized support, offering encouragement and helping you through tough times in life and business. It's like having a friend who understands you deeply. Calm is an award-winning mindfulness app that's available for iOS, Android, and desktop. Calm has over 100 million downloads and more than 700,000 five-star reviews. Calm uses AI fields such as computer vision and natural language processing to build on its functionalities. The app features hundreds of calming exercises, helpful breathing techniques, and sleep stories narrated by celebrities. Calm has many offerings, and the interface is relatively simple to navigate through. Plus, they're constantly adding new content. Calm has the option for users to access either a 7-day free trial or the free version of the app without paying for premium contact. Without purchase, you get access to daily meditations, breathing exercises, mood tracking, sleep stories, some guided meditations. Calm is best known for its meditations. They're divided up into different categories, such as sleep, beginners, work, inner peace, anxiety, emotions, and personal growth. Next up, we have an AI-based personal assistant. This virtual friend is always at your service, helping you stay organized and productive. From managing your schedule to offering valuable suggestions, this assistant does it all. I would say the best free intelligent virtual assistant in right now is IBM Watsonix Assistant. To get started, simply head over to the IBM website and navigate to the Watson Assistant page. There, you'll find a Try Watson Assistant button that allows you to explore its features and capabilities firsthand. Click on Try Watson's Assistant button. Look at the left side of the web page. Have you read that? It is one of the best chatbot builders and top-rated by TrustRadius. Let's launch the Watsonix Assistant. Take a glance at this virtual agent. It has ability to create and deploy chatbot and virtual assistants very easily and fast. It allows business to provide automated customer support and engagement, which can improve customer user experience and increase the business value. Its seamless integration with various platforms, such as websites, mobile apps, and social media, ensures that visitors can access assistance whenever and wherever they need it. There are hundreds of AI tools in the market. However, I want to talk about these 3 new AI tools that you really use for free. Unlock the power of these game-changing AI tools today and experience a whole new level of innovation for your life and business. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you in next video.